Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the spatial wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 26. So as you can see, when I'm moving my phone left and right, it basically gives you a 3D effect on the wallpaper which you've applied on your lock screen. So let me show you how to set this on your iPhone running iOS 26. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to scroll down and find wallpaper. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on add new wallpaper. We'll go ahead and add a wallpaper from our gallery. Now here we'll go ahead and zoom in. And as you can see, it has created this effect. Now just next to it here, you'll go ahead and find the spatial effect. So tap on this. And now this will basically create a spatial scene. So as you can see, you can zoom out. And this basically gives it a more effect to it. So here. Now once you're happy with it, tap add and then tap on set as wallpaper pair. And now go ahead and lock your phone and you'll see the 3D effect. So there you go guys, that's how to get the spatial wallpaper effect on your iPhone running iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.